In the 19th century, one man revolutionized how we see the world, literally. Ernst Abbe, a German physicist, inventor and social reformer, transformed optics and redefined industrial practices. This is his story. Born on January 23, 1840 in Eisenach, Germany, Ernst Abbe rose from humble beginnings. Despite financial challenges, he pursued his education with unwavering determination, eventually earning his doctorate in physics. Little did the world know this young scientist would change the landscape of optics forever. In 1866, Abbe joined forces with Carl Zeiss, a lens manufacturer in Jena. Combining scientific rigor with innovative engineering, Abbe developed groundbreaking optical instruments, including advanced microscopes. His invention of the Abbe-Seen condition established the principles for creating perfect optical lenses, pushing the boundaries of scientific research and medicine. Abbe's work wasn't limited to lenses. He introduced new theories on light diffraction and resolution, setting the foundation for modern optical science. His inventions, like the Abbe refractometer, became essential tools in laboratories worldwide. His contributions forever changed how we study the microscopic world. But Ernst Abbe wasn't just a scientist, he was a visionary reformer. He co-founded the Carl Zeiss Foundation, pioneering profit-sharing, shorter working hours, and social benefits for employees, radical ideas at the time. Abbe believed that science and industry should work for the betterment of humanity. Ernst Abbe's legacy is visible in every microscope, every telescope, and every lens that advances science and improves lives. He was a scientist, an innovator, and a reformer who proved that vision, both optical and societal, can shape the future. Ernst Abbe, the man who changed how we see the world. If you're inspired by the story of Ernst Abbe, the pioneer of modern optics, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more stories of groundbreaking innovators. Let us know in the comments how his work impacts your life today. Thanks for watching the video.